As you can see, Newburyport was established in 1764, and it is also the birthplace of our present U.S. Coast Guard. It all started at the mouth of the Merrimack River. These are some photos of the early boathouses and their crews at the mouth of the Merrimack River. This is the last of the boathouses at the mouth of the Merrimack. The new Coast Guard station is now located at the center of Newburyport. The Merrimack River is home to hundreds of boats and several marinas. The river has been an important part of Newburyport's life since the town's establishment. Several great ships were built all along the shores of Newburyport. Shipbuilding and shipping were a major part of life here in Newburyport. Newburyport has the oldest yacht club in the country. Check out this Sunday afternoon outing at the boatyard. As time progressed, navigation aids and other technologies have made it easier for boaters on the Merrimack River. Every year, a variety of old and new boats, power and sail, still come to visit Newburyport for provisions and services. This is a 100-year-old catboat commonly found on the river in the 1800s. It is undergoing an extensive restoration at the yacht shop on 72 Merrimack Street in Newburyport. Most of the wood is original and is in very good condition. Newburyport still has an excellent supply of highly skilled craftsmen and technicians available to provide a large variety of services, including repairs, refits, and restorations. All of the trades are represented in electrical, electronics, plumbing, heating and air conditioning, machine shop, welding, custom marine woodwork, paint, fiberglass, and canvas. The machinery and equipment is also here to handle almost any type of service you may need for your boat. Check in at the yacht shop on 72 Merrimack Street in Newburyport, Massachusetts, or call 978-618-4854. If we can't do it, we know who can.